Hello, you guys. Ugh. फेसबुक पे लाइव आके बहुत टाइम हो गया है तो मैं आ गया आज. Hi, hello. Hi, finally someone's here. Hi guys. Tribeni Gogoi. Hi Popper Satyam. Hi Polumi. Hi Pooja. Hi Anvesha. Hi Masruba. Hi Asobi. Hi Ankita. Hi Shankar. I'm sorry if I'm taking out the names wrong. कुछ नाम मैंने पहली बार सुना है. Hi Sonali. Hi Anuj. Hi Jyoti. Hi Shivai. Hi Anjana. Hello guys. Hi. It's been really long that I've come live on Facebook. And I had a little time between my music edits, so I just thought I'll come and say hi. Hi you guys. How's it going? Hello. Are धीरे लोग. This is sorry from Kolkata. Hello, sorry. Hi. Hi Ibrahim from Bangladesh. Hi Sunshine. Hi guys. Hi. So for all the people who are already here, I have a very little announcement. Hi Savio, how's it going, bro? Thank you all you guys. Thank you. So yes, coming back to my little announcement. If you're following me on Instagram, you must have already seen my story, but if you haven't yet, then go and follow first. But this is what I'm gonna see. Yes, it's been long, bro. I hope you're doing well. So yes, I finally launched my personalized course on Graphy.com, and it's a personalized course that I've designed myself, and I've broken it down into different structures, which makes it really easy for all of you all to learn. And I've tried to, it's not going to be a basic or a beginner course. It's going to be an intermediate and advanced, where I'm going to be teaching basics, universal footworks, moves, a lot of grooves, a lot of basics, and a lot of choreographies as well, challenging ones, and also guide all of you all on how reality shows work. And I'm also going to be having a special showcase with Tejas on it on the last day. It's broken down into 4 different classes, once a week, 2 hours, but I'm sure y'all are going to take back a lot, and y'all are going to have enough to practice by yourself for the next 3 or 4 months probably. So if you are interested in dancing with me, if you are interested in learning and doing classes with me, no bhai, I'm not the best, but thank you. कैसा है तू अभी इधर क्या इतना इमोशनल हो रहा है? Thank you. Anyway, so if you're interested in doing classes with me, and if you're interested in learning, sorry, there's a lot of messages. I'm sorry guys, y'all are really sweet. Thank you from people from Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Assam. Hi Assam के लोगों, बहुत प्यार दिया तुम लोगों ने इस बार. आसाम की बच्ची को भी भेज दिया मेरे पास. Hi guys, hi. I'm sorry, it's getting difficult to reply to everybody. Y'all keep cutting me off. Okay, let me come back to my classes, guys. If you are interested in dancing with me, doing classes with me, learning classes with me, then I finally have my own course where I'm going to guide all of y'all, teach all of y'all. I don't remember any other classes that I've done before where I've been so involved, but this one's going to be like a dance course. So I'm going to give everything that I have. I'm going to share a lot, and it's really going to benefit for all the ones who are looking forward to have a career in dancing, or who want to upgrade themselves as dancers. So yes, the classes are going to happen in November. I have 4 classes in November, and the registrations have already started. The reason why I'm live right now is we have discounts only for the first 3 days, and if you register right now, you could get the classes in a really good deal. So the registrations have started. All you have to do is you can either go to my Instagram. It's Tushar Shetty 95 at Gmail. It's Tushar Shetty 95. TUSHARSHETTY 95, I've put up multiple stories where I've put up the links and explained more about the classes, so you could just go there and check it out. Or you could just log on to Tushar Shetty, Tushar Shetty, that's my name, my spelling as it is, .graphy, graphy, graphy.com. You could just log on to that and it'll take you straight to my account on Graphy and you can register yourself. So yes, I'm really excited to be doing this. It's the first time I'm doing a dance course like this and I'm really excited to share with all of y'all. So I'm really looking forward to have all of y'all in the class, everybody who's interested, and don't forget to register before the classes go out. It's not like there's a lot of seats, there's limited seats. And next visit to Daman. Yes, so like I said, there's only limited seats, and before it goes out, I am just going to ask all of you all to register, whoever's interested in doing the classes. Hi Likidas, hi Dorji, hi guys, hi Dinesh, hi Kakon, hi Tofatul. Wow, there's so many names that I've never seen before. Hi Sandini, hi. There's so many interesting names out there. Parishmita, hi. Hi Diasini, if that's your name. Hi Parmeet, hi Tabita. Hi Sahita. Hi Deepika. Thank you guys, thank you so much. There's a lot of hearts and kisses on my comment section. Thank you. Anyway, register yourself as soon as possible. 1 second, let me just put up the link for you all. It's Tushar Shetty Graphy.com. It's right here. Yes. How do I pin this? How do I pin my comment? Come back. Where are you? Yes. Yes. I did it. Yes. So that's the website. You could just click on that, head to the application and register yourself as soon as possible. Like I said, there's only limited seats. It's been already a couple of hours. I've posted on Instagram, so I'm sure a lot of seats are going to run out really soon. So do not miss out on yours. Register as soon as possible. And I'm going to see all of you all in class. Hi Pallavi, hi Moshmi, hi Hanif Ali. Hi, unlucky guy. Why do you call yourself unlucky guy? Florina is not with me right now. Florina is at the rehearsal hall. She's learning her act. Hi, Subhash is from Saudi Arabia. Hello guys, so many people from abroad. Hi. Hi Karna from Assam. Hi guys, hello. It's overwhelming the way you guys have supported us throughout the season, and as you guys know, we're almost at the end of the show. The show is going to be over in hardly 10 days time, and yeah, the voting lines are going to be open one last time for all of y'all to vote for us, and it's gonna start on Sunday. So this weekend we have 2 performances. One is on Saturday and one is on Sunday. So there's no voting on Saturday, but Sunday is gonna be voting, and it's very important, guys. I know you guys have already supported us so much, but just one last time this Sunday. Also, the voting lines are going to be open for 3 days. It's going to be open from Sunday 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. तो आप Sunday को 8 बजे से 12 बजे तक 100 votes दे सकते हो. That is 50 on firstcry.com and 50 on SonyLive app. And Monday को पूरा दिन चालू होगा voting, and Tuesday को भी पूरा दिन चालू होगा. So there is no time restrictions on Monday and Tuesday, but Sunday को 8 बजे से 12 Sunday को 8 बजे रात से लेके 12 बजे तक होगा, और मंडे को पूरा दिन होगा, और ट्यूसडे को रात 12 बजे तक होगा। तो आप संडे को 8 से 12 में 100 वोट कर सकते हो, और मंडे को पूरे दिन में 100 वोट या उससे भी ज्यादा अगर आप कर सकते हो तो, और ट्यूसडे को भी 100 वोट या उससे भी ज्यादा अगर आप कर सकते हो तो। सो प्लीज 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 मेक श्योर यू ऑल आर वोटिंग फॉर माई फ्लोरिना गोगोई। उसके लिए वोट करना आप लोग। एंड जस्ट वन लास्ट टाइम गाइज, जस्ट वन लास्ट टाइम, help us reach the finale. You've already helped us reach the finale now. Help us win the show and help us get the trophy for all of y'all as a return gift. So yes, that's all about it guys. You all already know the details. आप लोग को पता है कैसे करना है, वोट करना है, क्या है. So yes, one last time. आप संडे के रात को 8 से 12 बजे के बाद 12 बजते ही फिर से वोट कर सकते हो, और मंडे को रात को 12 बजते ही ट्यूसडे को फिर से वोट कर सकते हो। तो प्लीज वोट करो और हम लोग को जिताओ गाइस। तेजस, फ्लोरिना, तुषार इज रॉक फ्रॉम बांग्लादेश। हाय 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 गाइस, हाय। इन विच सॉन्ग आर यू डांसिंग दिस वीक? Hey, y'all don't follow me on Instagram or what? So ओके, द सॉन्ग इज जय हो। आई जस्ट अपलोडेड अ प्रोमो टुडे। मैंने फेसबुक पे भी डाला है यार, तुम लोग ने देखा नहीं यार। सो द सॉन्ग इज जय हो, सैटरडे इज जय हो, एंड संडे इज अ वेरी 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 स्पेशल सॉन्ग. आई एम डूइंग दिस बिकॉज इट्स रिलेटेड टू दिस. I can't tell you all right now because the promo is not out yet. If Sony sees this, they will kill me. So I'm not gonna say it, but it's one of my most favorite songs, and it's one of my most favorite performances as well. So I'm really excited for all of you all to watch it. आप लोग को मजा आने ही वाला है. So yes, Saturday is Jai Ho, and Sunday is going to be a surprise for all of you all. One of my favorite songs, like I said. I've been wanting to do this song since a long time on the show, and I could never do it. कभी मौका नहीं मिला, but I think सेमीफिनाले में बेस्ट फुट फॉरवर्ड था. देयर वाज नो थीम या ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि किसी का गाना लेना है. सो आई टुक दिस सॉन्ग एंड वी डांस्ड ऑन इट, एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी नाउ. सो यस, नाउ इट्स ऑल इन योर हैंड्स गाइज. हमसे जितना हुआ मैंने किया. मेरी बच्ची से जितना हुआ उतने किया. हम दोनों ने मिलकर बहुत मेहनत किया है. मेरे से ज्यादा फ्लोरिना ने किया है. अभी सब कुछ आपके हाथ में. वी डिड एवरीथिंग दैट वी कुड. नाउ इट्स ऑल इन योर हैंड्स टू वोट फॉर हर एंड make that little baby happy. Hi Diya Sangarula. Hi Diya. Sorry guys, I'm scared to take your names. I don't want to like say it wrong. Hi Kanchana. Hi Tumpa. Hi Islam. Hi guys. Hi Surajit. Hi Ramjan Rock. Hi Neeta Magar. Hi Angsu. Hi guys. Hi Sirazam. Florina's shoe got removed. Yes, उसका shoes निकल गया, but she still continued dancing. The star that she is, Florina Gogoy. Let's go. Credits to me? No, there's no credits to me. The credits I think जो लोग बोल रहे सब लोग कि तुषार सर आपने फ्लोरिना को, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Florina has pushed me to be better than what I am, to do better choreographies and to think for her. If I didn't have a contestant like Florina, I would just be in my comfort zone and keep doing what I keep doing. So I think because I had Florina, आप सबको पता है स्टार्टिंग में कितना अप्स एंड डाउन्स हुआ था. और ये जितने भी लोग जो कमेंट कर रहे हैं कि ये लोग शो में है क्योंकि वो क्यूट है और ये वो सब, तुम लोग ने देखा नहीं क्या शो स्टार्टिंग में गाइज. वी हैड अ रियली क्रेजी बिगिनिंग इन द शो. इट वाजंट सो ग्रेट. आई थिंक मैं और फ्लोरिना और मैं ही है जिसको सबसे कम सीडी या बाकी वो सब चीजें अप्रिसिएशन मिली है, क्योंकि कंपेयर टू द अदर कंटेस्टेंट्स, बिकॉज इट वाज रियली डिफिकल्ट फॉर अस इन द बिगिनिंग. इनफैक्ट हम लोग को सीडी भी पहली बार तब मिला जब आई थिंक आफ्टर 2 or 3 months जब पहली बार सीडी मिली, और मेरे रिएक्शन पे समझ गया था कि कितने देर से वेट कर रहे थे हम लोग. बट Florina has really grown on the show. I don't know who all these haters. आप लोग जो भी हो, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है आप लोगों से. आप लोग हेट कर सकते हो, मुझे ना कभी प्रॉब्लम था और ना कभी है. बट यार बच्चे लोग मेहनत करते हैं. आप लोग के लिए कितना आसान होता है घर पे बैठ के लिखना, और ये कोई भी बच्चे के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, ये खाली फ्लोरिना के लिए नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। मैं देख रहा हूँ कि ईशा के लिए कितने लोग क्या क्या लिख रहे हैं, सौमित के लिए। यस, आपका फेवरेट कंटेस्टेंट एलिमिनेट हो जाता है और आपके फेवरेट्स होते हैं, आप कुछ लोगों के फैंस होते हो, बट उसका मतलब ये नहीं है यार कि किसी और बच्चे के पास जाके तुम हेट करो या ये करो। इट्स जस्ट नॉट ह्यूमन। सो I don't know. I find it funny sometimes. I find it annoying. It's just very very irritating. कि शो के स्टार्टिंग में मुझे भी बहुत लोगों ने बहुत कुछ बोला, मेरे डीएम में कितने लोगों ने मुझे कितना कुछ बोला कि तुम फ्लोरिना से प्यार नहीं करते हो, तुम उसके लिए कर नहीं रहे हो, ये नहीं कर रहे हो। बट मुझे पता है मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ और मैं कितना कोशिश किया है ये शो में। वी वर्क रियली हार्ड गाइज। सो टू ऑल द हेटर्स आउट देयर, अगर आप लोग को ये सब करके मजा आ रहा है तो कर लो प्लीज, कोई मैं तो रोक नहीं सकता आपको। It's your life, it's your phone, it's your Instagram, it's your social media. But just think about what you're doing. एक बार सोच लो कि ये कर क्या रहा हूँ और ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं। If just, I don't know, if that's really the kind of person that you want to be, then it's up to you. It's you who will have to answer end of the day. But ठीक है, नो हेट, नथिंग इन मी। और जितने भी लोग मुझे फॉलो करते हैं, जितने भी मेरे फैन पेजेस है, जितने भी लोग हम लोग को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, आई एम रियली रिक्वेस्टिंग ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल टू नॉट गेट इनटू ऑल ऑफ दिस। प्लीज डू नॉट गेट इनटू सोशल मीडिया फाइट्स, ये वो सब। हम लोग सबसे प्यार करते हैं और हम लोग करते रहेंगे, ठीक है। जिसको जो करना है वो करते रहो। वी आर जस्ट गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन, just like I did the entire show, I never let anything affect me, because I know that it would take time for me and Florina to gel together and for us to come together. And when that happened, I think the journey went on to be really really beautiful. मतलब ये जैसे नॉर्मली हम एक हफ्ते में एक डांस करते हैं, ये वीक में हमने 2 डांस किया है। एंड फॉर मी दैट इटसेल्फ इज अ वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट, बिकॉज जो फ्लोरिना मेरे पास आई थी, जिसने कभी कोरियोग्राफी नहीं किया था लाइफ में, वो एक हफ्ते में मतलब 3-4 दिन के अंदर उसने 2 कोरियोग्राफी सीखा है और दोनों में इतना अच्छा किया उसने, शायद आप लोग मुझे भी नहीं देखोगे। सो फॉर मी, आई एम ऑलरेडी वेरी वेरी हैप्पी दैट फ्लोरिना हैज ग्रोन अ लॉट एंड शी इज डूइंग सो मच। शी इज सो गुड, शी इज सो गुड दैट समटाइम्स आई फील लाइक शायद मेरे से अच्छी कोरियोग्राफी नहीं हो रही है, इतनी अच्छी है, इसको और अच्छा कर सकते हैं। बट एनीवे, जो भी है, फ्लोरिना और मैंने अपने परफॉर्मेंसेस से सबको जवाब दे दिया है, आई थिंक। बट जिसको अभी भी हेट करना है, जिसको अभी भी लगता है कि ये लोग डिजर्व नहीं करते फिनाले में जाना, उनका मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता हूँ। बस होप कर सकता हूँ कि एक ना एक दिन ये पूरा हेट दूर हो जाएगा और आप लोग हम लोग को सपोर्ट करोगे फॉर हु वी आर एंड फॉर व्हाट वी डू एंड फॉर ऑल द हार्ड वर्क दैट दीज किड्स डू। मैन, ये बच्चे लोग को तुम लोग कैसा ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, आई डोंट नो। बट एनीवे, and again, like I said, I'm not talking only about Florina, I'm talking about every kid on the show. ये बच्चे लोग 6-6, 7-7 महीना एक शो पे डांस किया ये लोगों ने। You all have any idea what that takes, how much hard work, how much mentally strong you have to be, and you all have no idea. So it's very convenient to just sit at home and comment. But anyway, I'm not going to talk about y'all anymore. Y'all can go and do whatever y'all want. I'm going to talk about all the people who are supporting us and loving us. So hey guys, we love the show. All the kids have grown so much. Was our go-to stress. Exactly man, exactly. They're all coming every weekend to entertain you all. तुम लोग बस शो देख के मजे करो ना, तुम लोग देखो परफॉर्मेंस, सबका परफॉर्मेंस देखो। तुमको जो अच्छा लगता है, उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, उसके लिए खुश रहो, सिंपल। और क्या। पहले बोलते थे कि तुषार सर नहीं कर रहे अच्छे से, ये लोग क्यों है शो में, ऐसा क्यों है, वैसा क्यों है। अब जब अच्छा हो रहा है तो बोलते हैं कि नहीं, ये तो अच्छा ही करते हैं, ये तो क्यूटी है। एनीवे, आई सेड आई एम नॉट गोना टॉक अबाउट यू ऑल। हाय, लॉट्स ऑफ लव फ्रॉम मणिपुर, थैंक यू, ऑल द बेस्ट टू यू एंड फ्लो, थैंक यू थैंक यू थैंक यू गाइज। हाय सुमन, थैंक यू सो मच, thank you Nilaki, thank you Sam Patel, Tushar bhai, don't be stressed. I'm not stressed, I'm chilled, I'm very very chilled bhai. Florina और आपका, this is my favorite show. All the kids are doing great. Yes, yes, thank you Ritu, thank you Priyanka, thank you Samira, thank you Zarin, thank you Anushka, thank you Tofatul. Hi Sangeeta. No need to be negative. Yes. Florina is literally my favorite contestant. Thank you. I'm based in Sri Lanka. I don't think we have international votings for the show. I know there's a lot of people who keep texting me and keep asking me about votings from abroad, but unfortunately, I don't think we have international votings. But you could just support for us, you could pray for us, you can send us good vibes, you can send us a lot of positive energy and pray for us. Hi Konika Singha, hi Afsana, hi Arnav, hi Jagdish, hi Garima, hi Veena, hi Antra. Don't think about duffers. Background sounds like finale rehearsal. No, it's not finale rehearsal. The background sounds like an editing studio. I'm at the editing studio right now. I'm getting my tracks edited, but that's why the music, maybe. Thank you guys. Thank you everybody who's been appreciating and writing good things about us. Thank you for that. Thank you. Florina is my favorite, but I don't judge other kids. Perfect. Prep for finale is going really well. तुम लोग देखो 9th अक्टूबर को फिनाले है. So watch. What is that one thing you learned from Florina? The one thing I learned from Florina is do not stop on stage even if your shoes come out. No, but honestly, what I've learned from her is to be stress free. I think that girl when she dances on stage, क्योंकि वो है इतनी छोटी ना, उसको समझ ही नहीं है प्रेशर का, कंपटीशन का. Like I get really nervous. I have butterflies in my stomach before I go on stage, no matter how experienced I am. And personally, the kind of styles that I do, it's taken me a lot of years to practice and learn and execute and just drill and make sure I'm doing it right. But Florina has learned all of this just in this season. उसने कभी choreography नहीं किया है. She's learned I think 15 to 20 different styles in this show, but she's never stressed. I don't know how she has this quality. When she's on stage, she's so confident. She's just वो बिंदास डांस कर देती है यार. And I'm just like wow, ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं हम लोग. मैं क्यों इतना टेंशन ले रहा हूँ? ये छोटी बच्ची अगर इतना स्ट्रेस फ्री होके सबको खुश कर सकती है अपने डांस से, तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता हूँ. So I think indirectly I've learned a lot from Florina. Florina is my favorite. Please आसाम आना एक बार. yes पूरी को फ्लोरिना ने तो प्लान बना लिया है मुझे आसाम लेके जाने का. उसने बोला है जिस दिन शो खत्म हो जाएगा मैं आपको लेके जाऊंगी जोराट आसाम. Come to Kolkata once. Yes, I've been to Kolkata before, but I really want to travel and do a lot of workshops for all of you guys in different cities, and I'm going to do that really soon. I've missed teaching, I've missed traveling, I've missed doing workshops, and I really want to do it. I love teaching, but hey guys, coming back to teaching, I have my online course. I have a personalized online course. I'm doing a dance course online. अगर आप comments देख रहे हो तो मैंने pin किया हुआ है tusharshetty.graphy.com. I'm gonna start my own classes. Hi Prajwal Shetty. Hi bro. Hi. Shetty in the house. So yes, if you're looking forward to dance with me, learn from me, learn choreographies, basics, and a lot of footworks, a lot of grooves, then this is the right place for y'all. I've personally designed this course, and I've broken it down into different sections where you're going to learn different things in different classes, along with choreographies and along with a lot of drills that you can take back home and keep practicing by. It's not like कि ये 4 क्लास में अगर आप आ गए तो इसमें जितना सीखा वो सीखा और हो गया. You're going to take back a lot from these 4 classes, because I know 4 classes are not enough for anybody, but these are going to be 2-hour classes. और ये 2-2 घंटे के क्लास में आप बहुत सारी चीजें लेके जाओगे, which is going to be enough for you all to practice for the next 1 or 2 months, and automatically upgrade yourselves as dancers, as performers. I'm also going to share reality show tips and my experience on reality shows with all of you all. So it's going to be a lot of learning, a lot of dancing, and a lot of fun. and a lot of choreographies as well. It's not going to be a beginner class, so if you are only ready to do some crazy dancing and ready to upgrade yourself, please register yourself right now. tusharshetty.graphy.com. There's also discounts for the first 3 days. पहले 3 दिन डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है आपको आज, कल और परसों. उसके बाद प्राइसेस आर गोइंग टू गो अप. एंड इफ यू अगर आप ऐसे भी रजिस्टर करने वाले हो तो अभी कर लो, 3 दिन बाद करने से अच्छा. So yes, the classes are going to happen in November. You can find all the other details out there. So love from Assam. All the kids are hardworking and good, but my favorite floaters. Yeah. Bangladesh. Hi guys. Hi. Can kids enroll? Yes, of course kids can enroll for classes. बच्चे लोग आजकल full fire है, हम लोग से ज्यादा आगे वो लोग. So yes, hi Ankita, hi Priyanka, come to Manipur, come to Dibrugarh. Yes, I want to go to all these places that I've never been before. Come to Jorhat, Assam. Yes. Your leg creativity, how's your experience working with Flow? My experience with Flow, देखा ही आप लोगों ने यार. I've had a crazy experience with Flow. Crazy मतलब it's been really nice. Start your franchisee classes at Assam. I'm ready to. Oh, let's get in touch and do this, guys. Please leave me a message on Facebook. Let's do this. Vimla, Trisha, Roy. Hi, guys. Hi, Meera. Chilmadi. Okay. Deepanita, Kaveri, Nupur, Harsh. Hi. Weekends. So it's once a week. The day I will have to decide, and I'm waiting for that. It's going to be 4 sessions in November. I'm going to try and keep it a weekday. A weekend is not possible for me because normally we have like technicals and stuff. We want a Tushar, Tejas and Florina collab. There's already a collab on Super Dancer. देखा नहीं आप लोगों ने episode, but yes, I think we should also make a video. Yes, that's a good idea. Let's make a video with Tejas and Florina. Okay. I was saying something. Oh yeah, weekdays. Yes, coming back to my classes. tusharshetty.graphy.com. Don't forget to register for my classes. Come to Bangalore once. Yes, I've always wanted to go to Bangalore. I've never been to Bangalore, but I think कुछ workout नहीं हो पाया कभी. But I would definitely love to come to Bangalore and do a class. I am Shankar from Assam. Hi Shankar from Assam. Hi Indrani. Hi guys. Hi Subra. Hi Anjali. Lots of love from Palghar. अरे पालघर तो इधर ही है. When you come in Kolkata, I want to meet you. Done bro, done. Let's meet. Hi Upasana. Hi Lisha. Hi Gayatri. Hi Monover. Hi Sam. Hi Prabodha. Hi Alice. Can we get a different style of costume? We can try. Hi Madhu from Sri Lanka. Hi Kritika. Thank you. You can even visit Nagaland. Yes, I've never been to Nagaland either. Hi Pemasha. Hi Dikshita from Assam. Hi guys. Are you going to be in India's Best Dancer? I don't know. Let's see. Surprise. Oh yes. Paki Verma. Yes, I remember this. Actually, his mom called me that day. जिस दिन पहले एपिसोड आया सुपर डांसर का, तेजस की मॉम ने मेरे को वीडियो कॉल किया और वो घर पे बैठ के रो रहा था यार बेचारा. He misses me and I miss him too. I've had the best time with Tejas and also with Florina right now. They're both really special to me. They have something about them. It's just that innocence, honesty, that love for dancing. I think that is what connected me to them the most. They're such good kids. They're such nice babies. Make Florina win. Y'all make Florina win. हम तो आ गए यहाँ तक guys. The rest is all in your hands. She's Assam's baby, I know, which is why you'll have to support her and she'll have to vote for her especially. ऑलरेडी बोल दिया टेक्निकल्स. अरे यार तुम लोग क्या कर रहे हो? तुम लोग मेरे मुंह से चीजें निकलवा रहे हो गाइस. Anyway, let's see. IBD is a really nice show, and uh, I would love to be a part of it. To be honest, I would love to be a part of India's best dance. I love dancing. मैं कितना भी डांस कर सकता है, कितना भी, कभी भी, किधर भी. So there's never saying no to dance. There's never saying no to reality shows. I love doing what I do, and I'm gonna continue doing that. But coming back to IBD, let's see. Let's see. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you everybody who's been texting. मैंने मिस कर दिया बहुत सारा, but thank you. Is this the last week we have to vote? Yes! For the last time, guys. One last time. एक लास्ट बार वोट करना है आप लोगों को. ये सैटरडे नहीं है. ये आया मेरा तेजू, तेजास. किधर है? आजा जल्दी. Who got the most votes this week? जानने के लिए देखते रहिए सुपर डांसर चैप्टर 4. Guys, I'm not gonna spoil everything for y'all on a live video यार. Just तुम लोग देख लो शो. सैटरडे को देख लो, सैटरडे को पता चल जाएगा. फिर संडे को देखना और संडे को वोट करना. संडे को रात को 8 बजते ही फुल पावर. Y'all can vote on Sunday from संडे को रात को 8 बजे से लेके 12 बजे तक वोट कर सकते हो. और उसके बाद अगले दिन फिर वोट कर सकते हो पूरा दिन. और उसके अगले दिन भी पूरा दिन कर सकते हो. तो सैटरडे Sunday night 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. Monday the whole day, and Tuesday also the whole day till 12 in the night. So you all have that much time to vote for us. तेजस क्यों नहीं आ रहा है तू लाइव मेरे साथ? दिस वीक जय हो वाला प्रोमो तो बहुत मस्त लगा. थैंक यू. पूरा परफॉर्मेंस देखना आप लोग को, वो भी अच्छा लगेगा. वॉइस प्रॉब्लम, मेरा वॉइस प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई एंड ऐड समबडी. मैं रहा बेजुबां. Okay guys, there's something wrong. I think I'm not audible. Sorry, अभी आ रहा है क्या आवाज? नहीं आ रहा है. नहीं आ रहा है. Sorry, I'm gonna have to cut this.